Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Salem, Oregon. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Conveniently located off I-5, this Oregon motel is 4 miles from Salem Airport. It features a seasonal outdoor pool and rooms with a cable TV with extended channels. Laundry facilities is located on site. Each air-conditioned room at Motel 6-Salem features a private bathroom. All rooms boast vibrant decor and light wood furnishings. 24-hour reception is offered at Salem Motel 6. Fax and photocopying services are available. Vending machines featuring snacks and drinks are located on site. Lancaster Mall is 3 minutes drive from this motel. Meadowlawn Golf Course is 6 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.